Welcome to the UC application tutorial for California Community College transfer students. The fall application filing period is November 1st to the 30th. For this video tutorial, we will be using a resource you can find online. This resource can be found at https://admission.universityofcalifornia.edu/how-2-apply/applying-as-a-transfer/. Before you get started, there's a few things you will need. Transcripts. Don't submit your transcripts to the UC at this point, but refer to them as you fill out the application to ensure the information you enter is accurate. AP exams, IB exams, TEFL or IELTS, international exams. You will be asked about each of these exams on separate pages in this section. You'll need to report scores if you've already taken them, or indicate if you're planning on taking them in the future. Annual income for last year and the current year. Your parents, if you're a dependent. Your income, if you're an independent. This is optional unless you're applying for an application fee waiver or for the Educational Opportunity Program. You will also need your Social Security number, if you have one. The UC uses this to match your application to things like your test score report, final transcripts, and if you're applying for financial aid, your free application for federal student aid. Citizenship status. You must enter your country of citizenship or no selection for undocumented students. If your country of citizenship is outside of the United States, you'll need to provide your immigration status and your visa type. You can pay for the application by credit card or check. Please note the application is split into 8 different sections. There's an About You section, campuses and majors, academic history, test scores, activities and awards, scholarships and programs, personal insight, then you review and submit your application. Let's get started. Follow me to https://admission.universityofcalifornia.edu/apply-now.html. See you in the next video.